Encountering something went wrong. Please try again later. Error message while accessing or downloading apps from the Google Play Store can be quite frustrating. This issue can stem from various factors, but fear not. In this video tutorial, I'll guide you through resolving this pesky error on your Android device. Firstly, let's address the network connection. It's essential to ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can troubleshoot this by toggling your network connection off and on, switching between Wi-Fi and Ethernet if available, or connecting to a different network. Additionally, a simple restart of your device or toggling the airplane mode can help re-establish the connection. Next up, let's check your device's date and time settings. Ensure that they are accurately set. Navigate to your device's settings, locate the date and time settings, and enable the options for setting the time and time zone automatically. This step can often resolve any discrepancies causing the error. If the issue persists, it's time to delve deeper into the Google Play Store app settings. Similar to troubleshooting other apps, you can clear the Play Store's data and cache. Navigate to your device's settings, find the App section, locate and select the Google Play Store app, then clear its storage and cache files. This can help refresh the app and potentially resolve the error. Another effective method is uninstalling updates on the Google Play Store app. By reverting to the factory version of the app, you might eliminate any recent updates that could be causing compatibility issues. Simply access the app settings, tap on the three dots in the top right corner to reveal the option to uninstall updates, and follow the prompts to revert to the original version. By following these troubleshooting steps, you can effectively tackle the "something went wrong. Please try again later" error on your Google Play Store app. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more insightful tutorials and tech-related content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join our community. Join us on this journey to optimize your Android experience and overcome any hurdles along the way.